Today's show is sponsored by Persimmon Tree Gifts. They're located at 390 North Court Street, Paoli, Indiana. For more information, contact them at 812-723-0300.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for October 25th. Intramural dodgeball sign-up forms have been sent in your email. Sign-ups will end November 1st. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Just a reminder, the fan bus leaves at 4:45 today for Switzerland County. And now to Kaulen with your Rams sports report.
Thank you, Audrey. Tonight, the boys varsity football team will be traveling to Switzerland County for the first round of sectionals. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the radar today, we will see a chance of rain later in your weekend. Today we have a high of 63 and a low of 51. On Saturday we have a high of 66 and a low of 51. And then on Sunday we have a high of 64 and a low of 44. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.